Have you ever wondered how to make money on YouTube? Welcome to the digital age where turning your passion into profit is possible, especially on platforms like YouTube. Today, we're going to explore the exciting world of YouTube earnings. We'll walk you through the steps involved, from initiating your very own channel, figuring out the nuts and bolts of monetization, to expanding your audience and boosting your influence. So, let's get started. Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive into the world of YouTube earnings. The first step on this journey is to create a YouTube channel. It's like setting up your own virtual stage where you're the star and the content creator. Now, you might be wondering, where do I start? Well, it begins with choosing a niche. It's crucial to pick a subject you're passionate about, something that you can talk about endlessly and with enthusiasm. Passion is contagious, and it will draw viewers to your channel. Next, focus on creating engaging content. Remember, content is king. It's what keeps your audience coming back for more. Make sure your content is unique, informative, and entertaining. Lastly, you need to understand the basics of SEO for YouTube. SEO, or search engine optimization, is how you make your videos discoverable. It's about using the right keywords, crafting compelling titles, and writing engaging descriptions. Once you've set up your channel and started creating content, you're ready for the next step, monetization. Now that you've got your channel up and running, it's time to start making money from it. First, let's talk about the YouTube Partner Program. This is the primary way creators earn money on YouTube. To qualify, you need a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours over the past 12 months. Once you meet these requirements, you can apply to the program and start earning money from ads on your videos. There are also other ways to monetize your YouTube channel. Brand partnerships, for instance, can be quite lucrative. Companies are always on the lookout for influencers to promote their products, and if your content aligns with their brand, you could make a deal. Merchandise sales are another option. If you've built a strong brand and have a loyal fan base, consider creating and selling your own merchandise. T-shirts, mugs, posters, the possibilities are endless. But don't forget, monetization isn't just about making money. It's also about building a community around your brand. Engage with your audience, reply to comments, and create content that speaks to them. The more engaged your audience is, the more likely they are to support you. And here's a little secret. The more value you provide to your audience, the more money you'll make. So focus on creating valuable content, and the money will follow. Remember, monetization is only part of the equation. You also need an audience. Without an audience, you won't make much money on YouTube. So how do you grow your audience? Well, the first key is promotion. You've got to put your channel out there. Consider leveraging social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. These platforms can help you reach more people and direct them to your YouTube channel. Collaboration is another great strategy. Connect with other YouTubers who share similar interests. A joint video project can expose you to their audience and vice versa. It's a win-win situation. Lastly, remember to engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create a sense of community. People love to feel involved and heard. This engagement can foster loyalty, encouraging viewers to return to your channel and share it with others. Remember, growing an audience takes time and patience. But with consistent effort, you'll see your subscriber count rise. With a growing audience and monetized content, you're well on your way to making money on YouTube. So, are you ready to start your YouTube career? We've covered a lot of ground today, from the initial stages of creating your own channel to the more involved process of monetizing it. We've shared insights on how to grow your audience and make your content shine. Remember, YouTube isn't just a platform, it's a community. Engage with it, nurture it, and it will reward you. Your content should reflect who you are and what you love. Authenticity resonates with audiences, and it's that connection that will help your channel grow. Monetizing your channel is not an overnight process. It takes dedication, consistency, and a bit of patience. But with the right mindset, the rewards can be substantial. So, don't let the fear of the unknown hold you back. Embrace the challenge, learn from it, and let it push you forward. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So, take that step and start your YouTube journey today.